Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gas pedal assembly is probably one of the most important components in your vehicle, directly impacting your control over acceleration and overall driving experience. This video will provide a comprehensive guide to understanding the gas pedal assembly, covering its functionality, key components, common issues, and step-by-step instructions for maintenance and replacement, empowering you to ensure optimal performance and safety. Number 5. Speedway Motors Accelerator Pedal. This kit gives you a smooth, responsive feel. It's easy to install and built to last. It's made from high-quality cast aluminum for durability and a great look. The textured surface provides excellent grip. A 48-inch heavy-duty cable is included, ensuring reliable throttle response. The housing clamp is designed for a custom fit. This kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. It's designed to fit many applications. The pedal sits at a comfortable 45-degree angle and has a 2-inch travel for precise control. Enjoy the enhanced driving experience. It measures 2.5 by 6 by 1/4 inches, providing a perfect fit for your vehicle. The kit is economical and offers great value. What we like. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. It comes with a heavy-duty cable ensuring reliable performance. The textured pedal provides excellent grip, enhancing control and safety. If you're on a budget but need a reliable gas pedal, this is a great choice. What people say. This gas pedal and throttle cable combo kit works extremely well on any and all projects. Nice and shiny, no resistance at all, the cable comes back every time. This pedal assembly works perfectly with my trail rig tractor. It all common sense on how to install it. I bought this to use in a Kenworth truck. After some modifications, it does exactly what I need it to do. Number 4. JEGS 157415K2 Gas Pedal Kit. This kit offers a universal solution for your vehicle's gas pedal needs. It's designed for easy installation and smooth operation. It features a universal firewall mount, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. This makes it a versatile upgrade for any car or truck. Enjoy precise control with its fully adjustable design. Customize it to your driving style for optimal performance. Experience a smooth and responsive feel. It's built for a comfortable and precise driving experience. It's crafted from polished 6061 T6 billet aluminum for superior durability and a sleek look. This ensures long-lasting performance and a premium feel. The spring-loaded pedal provides a responsive and comfortable feel. This ensures smooth acceleration and precise control. What we like. This gas pedal boasts unparalleled versatility thanks to its universal design. Its fully adjustable nature allows for a customized fit and feel. The smooth operation ensures a comfortable and precise driving experience. If you need a gas pedal that works across multiple vehicles and offers personalized adjustability, this is perfect for you. What people say. The pedal works for my van. I saved $200 by just getting a brake pedal assembly and this gas pedal rather than a gas and brake pedal assembly for right-hand drive. Number 3. Street Rod Throttle Pedal. Upgrade your ride with this stunning throttle pedal. Its sleek design and high-quality materials will enhance your driving experience. This pedal boasts a polished aluminum finish, giving it a luxurious look and feel that complements any vehicle's interior. 6 non-slip rubber inserts provide superior grip, ensuring safe and comfortable operation, even during spirited driving. With dimensions of 2x4 to 1/2 inches, it's compact enough to fit most vehicles while being built to last. It features a firewall mount style for easy installation. Get ready to enjoy a smooth and responsive driving experience. It's compatible with Chevy, Ford, and Mopar vehicles, making it a versatile upgrade for a wide range of classic cars and trucks. What we like. This pedal offers a sleek, polished look that enhances the aesthetics of your vehicle's interior. The non-slip inserts provide superior grip and control. Its classic design is perfect for a variety of vehicles. If you value style and want a pedal that looks as good as it performs, this is the one for you. What people say. I own a '56 Chevy pickup and put this pedal in it, and after getting it placed where I wanted, by moving the pedal to the other side of the lever it lines up perfectly and looks and performs exactly like I want it to. Mounted almost in the factory position on firewall, but was able to adjust it and move the pedal up and away from transmission tunnel, which is why we bought it, by swapping levers on the adjustable spline shaft. Loker Excel cable end attaches just fine. Plenty of adjustment positioning options. The way to go. Adjustable pedal level as well as the top section can be mounted to the right or left side and looks good in any car or truck. Number 2. Hot Rod Billet Floor Mount Pedal Kit. Upgrade your ride with this high-quality billet aluminum pedal kit. It's fully adjustable for a perfect fit and easy to install. This pedal kit offers a fully adjustable design, ensuring a comfortable and customized driving experience. Easily adjust it to your preferred position. It's built with durable billet aluminum for long-lasting performance. The braided cable and stainless steel components add to its superior quality. The kit includes a firewall mount aluminum bulkhead for a clean and secure installation. It's designed for a straightforward installation process. The 36-inch outer cable and 56-inch inner cable can be cut to your exact specifications. This ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. It comes with a polished stainless steel return spring bracket and dual spring for smooth and reliable throttle return. Enjoy a responsive and precise throttle feel. What we like. This kit provides a fully adjustable pedal for a personalized driving experience. The braided cable offers superior durability and smooth operation. The easy mounting process makes installation a breeze. If you prioritize ease of installation and customization, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. Great product, installed at a 1953 Willys and fit great. This would most likely fit any vehicle. Used this on my '63 Fairlane, replaced the stock assembly. Pretty easy to mount. I would have liked the pedal to be a little longer, maybe 2 inches. Overall, it works and looks better than stock pedal. I own a Jaguar that was converted to a Chevy V8 engine. The previous owner simply bent the throttle linkage into a mess that didn't work correctly. The Pirate kit fixed all of my issues. It's great quality and ran straight and true to connect my Edelbrock 1406 carb and replace the stock gas pedal. It's a simple install. Number 1. Mr. Gasket 3842G Pedal Kit. Upgrade your ride with this superior pedal kit. It's built to last and designed for a perfect fit. It is made from high-quality materials, ensuring superior durability and performance. Experience the difference. This kit is built to withstand the elements. Its corrosion resistance ensures years of reliable use. Say goodbye to worn-out pedals. This kit is designed for long-lasting durability, providing a reliable driving experience. It's engineered for a precise fit, ensuring seamless installation and optimal performance. Easy to install and a perfect match for your vehicle. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Get it installed quickly and easily. What we like. Built to withstand the test of time, it's made from high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials. This ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance. It's designed for a precise fit. If you need a dependable gas pedal that will last for years, this is the perfect option. What people say. This is a great add-on to a lawn tractor, so I don't have to use my hands while operating my machine. Very easy to install. Bought this to use in my altered drag car. It worked great and totally filled the bill. Worked fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.